The Internet of Things is a vast array of devices connected to each other through the Internet. These devices connect to each other and use the data collected to make improvements to your everyday life. The Internet of Things works by having a shared server connected to every device. The devices upload their different data to a server, or a cloud, and then the other devices take that info off the server and use it. Wonder what some examples of the Internet of Things are. Well, imagine waking up one morning and turning off your alarm clock. By hitting the button, your alarm clock will send a message over the Internet of Things to your coffee maker, which will start brewing a cup of coffee that will be hot and ready as soon as you get downstairs. Another example are cars that are connected to the Internet of Things. These cars take data from everything around them and can send the data to the database, allowing real-time traffic and collisions to be transmitted to other cars' GPSs. If your GPS sees a traffic jam ahead, it can redirect you on a faster route, all due to the Internet of Things.
Meet the third-generation Nest Learning Thermostat. It has a bigger, sharper screen, and it's even better at learning what you like. Just turn it up or down. It will catch on after a few days and create a personalized schedule for you.
In the future, you'll be able to integrate microcircuitry to monitor the statistics and help an athlete understand his performance better by measuring spiral quality, measure things like throwing velocity and how well he throws a football, or even the timing sequence of him throwing a football.
Many tech companies are hoping it means new ways to exploit and enhance the game viewing experience.
The way we integrate next-gen stats into the broadcast is basically by following along the storylines of the game.
Giants in Washington getting set to start on Thursday Night Football.
We look to find big-time gains with running backs or wide receivers. We look to say separation between defensive backs and wide receivers.
Manning back to throw, steps up, deep ball. Odell Beckham Jr. on the post.
Now someone can say, is 22 miles an hour fast? You bet it is. It's number one in the league this week.
Jumps up, makes the catch. Touchdown Giants.
The Internet of Things can be used to be very efficient. It is designed to help improve your day by automatically doing things for you by recognizing when they have to be done. There are a couple of ethical issues regarding the Internet of Things, the biggest being security and privacy. With the Internet of Things, how can you be sure that the companies holding your data and the server aren't using it for their own personal use? How can you be sure the government isn't using your data to monitor you? And what happens if the server gets hacked and the hackers use your information for criminal activity? These are a few ethical issues that are involved with the Internet of Things. Overall, the Internet of Things is perfect for syncing all your devices to give you lots of helpful shortcuts in your day. More and more devices are being made that use the Internet of Things, and the more devices that are connected to it, the more helpful and efficient it is.